New tonight at 5, President Barack Obama talked about 90 minutes ago about the situation that continues to unfold in Ferguson, Missouri, calling protesters there to think twice before engaging in another evening of violence and to consider another course of action.
While I understand the passions and the anger that arise over the death of Michael Brown, giving in to that anger by looting or carrying guns and even attacking the police only serves to raise tensions and stir chaos. It undermines rather than advancing justice.
KRCG 13's Juliet Dreyer has been following the developments in Ferguson. She joins us live in the studio. Juliet, we have some local law enforcement members heading to Ferguson.
Yeah, Teresa, the SWAT team from Highway Patrol's Mid-Missouri Troop F is going to Ferguson, most likely for security and to respond to civil unrest. They were told to pack for several days and will be bringing equipment like riot gear and gas masks. In the meantime, preliminary results of an independent autopsy of 18-year-old Michael Brown revealed new details about his injuries. The autopsy performed by a team of medical examiners hired by Michael Brown's family found the teen was shot at least 6 times, including twice in the head.
All of these gunshot wounds were survivable, except for the one in the top of the head that went through the brain.
The forensic pathologists say a wound on Brown's arm is consistent with witness accounts that Brown was surrendering when the officer opened fire, but the evidence is not conclusive.
So it also could have occurred when he was putting his hands up. It could have happened if he put his arms across in a defensive manner. We don't know.
The state has conducted a separate autopsy but has not released its results. Federal officials have ordered a third examination of Brown's body. Earlier Monday, Governor Jay Nixon called in the National Guard after another night of clashes between police and protesters. The Guard will operate under the overall command of Highway Patrol. Governor Nixon says the Guard's limited role will be to provide protection and ensure the safety of the police command center that was believed to be targeted last night. A state of emergency has been in place since Saturday. Governor Nixon released a statement today saying that there will be no curfew in Ferguson tonight. Teresa.
Thank you, Juliet. Now, a grand jury could start hearing evidence as soon as Wednesday in the case. St. Louis prosecuting attorney Bob McCullough will oversee the case that will determine whether the officer who shot Brown will face criminal charges. Cases are often presented to grand jurors in one day, but a spokesperson for the prosecuting attorney says this case is complicated. It will take longer. In the meantime, the Highway Patrol is enforcing an order prohibiting static assembly, urging people not to gather but to move on. Several people have already been arrested for disorderly conduct and failure to disperse. However, police are not curtailing the protests altogether. We want to know, what do you think it will take to restore order in Ferguson? Let us know on our Facebook page.